Mga quiz, mga ates, welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Anan. Anyong araw, meron tayong papanooring bagong video. But before that, gusto ko munang magpasalamat ulit sa mga viewers, subscribers, followers ng mga channels ko. Especially ang Pili Talaga channel at the Alan's Quiz Show, because it's already monetized. Both are monetized already, and happy ako sa nare-receive ko na support, especially sa views, likes, and comments, diba? So, thank you very much. So, balik tayo sa sinabi ko, manonood ako ng video ngayon, but not trailers, not or whatsoever, pero ang papanoorin ko is a comparison video, kung saan dun sa video, mapapanood natin yung dalawang singers kumakanta na isang song, at yun nga, parang pinagko-compare yung dalawa. So, ang papanoorin natin comparison video is, or versus video is between Marian Osabel at Laika Estrella. So, I have no idea with Laika Estrella, pero also that dito is, she is the Grand TNT champion, while Marian Osabel, kilala ko to, sinasubaybayan ko to, she is the, I think, third yata, or fourth grand winner ng The Clash season 4. So yun. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papanoorin natin yung video at later ibibigay ko reaction at opinion ko. So let's go! Like that, Estrella. Next is Marian Osabel ng The Clash.
Trust someone who's lying to me. So yourself and piss off, 'cause you're not
Okay, there you go. Napanood natin yung comparison video between Laika Estrella at Marian Isabel. So, at kinanta nila yung song na Mama Knows Best. So, si Laika is the TNT Grand Champion this year, while Marian Isabel is the Grand Champion of Season 4 of The Clash. So, tingnan natin pagkakaiba ng dalawang performance nila. So, when it comes to styling ng pagkanta, different yung style ng pagkanta ni Laika. I can compare it to Casey Dandingan, while Marian Isabel, yung styling niya, sa arrangement ng song, iba rin yung arrangement ng ito sa kay Laika, and we saw na parang mas fast speed and yung parang nilalaro niya yung song. While kay Marian naman, yung arrangement naman is parang malapit dun sa original song. Sa boses naman ni Laika, I can say na yung boses ni Laika is mataas, pero matinis yung boses niya. Para siyang si Golden Ganyedo. Malit yung boses, pero mataas yung naaabot niyang range ng nota. While Marian naman is suabe yung boses niya, malinis, klaro, at siyempre kay Laika na mataas ang naabot ng range. Emotion naman, mas nararamdaman ko yung emotion ni Marian compared to kay Laika. Parang si Laika, she was just performing the song. Diba? She was just singing or she was just performing, while Marian, base sa gusto na panood ko, is may emotion pa rin siya. Pinaparamdaman pa rin niya yung kwan. Parang she's still showing us the emotion of the song, diba? So I can say, parang maganda, pero yun nga lang, kung pagsasabayan silang kumanta, I can say na medyo masakit sa tainga yung version ni Laika. So ganun din, di ba? Medyo masakit sa tainga. While Marian naman is ang sarap pakinggan, na parang pwede kang humingay sa kama listening to her style ng song because of that styling ng pagkanta ni Maria, and at the same time yung nasabi ko kanina, malinis, maganda yung flow, maganda yung transition ng mga nota, high notes, low notes, diba? So nakokontrol na maayos ni Marian, so, diba? So yun ang masasabi ko sa dalawang performance ni na Laika at Marian. So kayo mga quiz, mga atis, sa tingin niyo, sino sa tingin niyo ang paborito niyong version? Yung version ba ni Laika o version ni Marian ng song na Mama Knows Best, something like that? Ko ba rin yan? So mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and share yung opinion niyo about their performance, and I will try to read also your comment about it, and kung kailangan ko mag-react din ako, diba? So there you go. So before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels, The Anas Ski Show, ang Pinoy Talaga Channel, Provi Bromdi Vlogs, and The Matlang People Presents. So thank you very much. Have a nice day, and bye bye.